This is Nicole with Titans of CNC Academy. In this video, we're going to test some of the cutting capabilities of this Tormach behind me. This is a 1.5 horsepower machine that you can plug into the wall in your garage. It's a very cost-efficient machine that's great for beginners, but you can still cut some serious chips with it. Another cool thing is that this 1.5-inch shell mill is the best I've seen for Tormachs that are equipped with the TTS tool system, as it is a direct fit to the 1/2-inch TTS shell mill arbor. All right, let's see how it does. Alright, that sounded pretty good, but you could hear the spindle loading up a little bit. So let's go ahead and double our step down and pull back our feed rate from 200 inches per minute down to 85 inches per minute and see how that does. That sounded a lot better. We also saved about 8 seconds per 50 thou on those last 2 passes. But overall, I feel like we were able to make some great chips, and not bad for a machine that you can purchase for under 15K. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more cool Tormach videos on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.